Hi, I'm Angela DeRuthi with Keene's Pointe Realty. Today we're going to take a look at a classic, beautiful lakefront mansion located here in Keene's Pointe in Windermere, Florida. This is a guard-gated lakefront and golf course community. Let's take a look. Welcome to the Grand Salon. This is the heart of the home. Around this area, which is more or less your formal living space, you have the dining room, you have a bar, you have the office. It's really the heart of the home. Upstairs, we have 3 bedroom suites, all with private baths, so that's a very nice private quarter for sleeping and guests and such. And then the rest of the house, we have 2 more bedrooms downstairs. We have all the classic areas of the office, the family room, the kitchen, a wonderful breakfast nook, and so many other great spaces. An important factor of this home is that nearly 50% of this home has been added on to with brand new construction. So the areas where you live in most, your master bedroom suite and your family room and game room, are all brand new. And they're stunning. Let's go take a look. Welcome to the master retreat. On this side, you have this enormous bedroom and a sitting area, a fabulously brand new bathroom, and double closets. The owners have done an amazing job here of blending what is a transitional style with the classic elegance of the main home. It's quite a boutique look, and they've done an amazing job blending all the different styles. It's stunning. Side of the house, you have the kitchen, the nook, and this is leading into the brand new family room, game room, and the 5th bedroom. This is really a flex space over here, part of that new construction that they created. It's fantastic, along with the outdoor living space and the brand new pool area. Thank you for taking time to join us today. Please feel free to give me a call if you'd like to have a personal tour of this property, and we can go into more detail on some of the spectacular finishes that we have here, and also get a look at the lake and enjoy the ambiance. It's amazing. Thank you. I'm Angela DeRuthi, Keene's Pointe Realty.